evening, everyone. Satyajit ji, thank you so much for this wonderful program. And थोड़ा बहुत मुझे पता था, but इतना clear, इतना scientific होने की वजह से it is now reassured. And Siddharth is also doing with me. So now when I say something, he understands it totally. And तो इस पे आपने बहुत मतलब जो मेरे लिए नया था वो ये बात थी कि but I have not, I mean, I don't know, I'm not going to cut them down totally, but take it in small portion.
Yes.
And not with food, not with other food, like you said. That was an awareness. And yeah, so I'm geared up to do your the other program that you offer. I'd like to really take that on because I know I will be very, it will benefit me a lot.
Amazing program, Satyajit, and we are longing to log on to it, both of us. And I've been telling Ritika for quite some time, so that this program which you did was quite an eye opener for both of us, and we will definitely log on with you ASAP.
This is Chitra Sharma from the Bhopal. Sir, I have attended your program. It was fantastic to be with you. I would like to say that you have said so many good things in this program. And I just started this program because of my cousins told me, and I've seen their progress in the master programs you have given to them. So my Didi has joined your program. I'd like to say that she has drastically changed in her body and everything. What was the issues? उनको बहुत ज़्यादा फायदा हुआ है. तो मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा उनको देख के कि उन्होंने आपसे program लिया and she has changed herself very much. And one thing I would like to say that जो आपने बात कही program के अंदर कि human body is programmed for 100 years. This line was fantastic. I must salute you for this line that if from what time say that 100 years जीते थे लोग last time में ऐसा होता था कि age बहुत लंबी होती थी. But in this program, I have seen this, I have heard this sentence and it's really touched me a lot. Thanks a lot for your complete sessions.
Basically, मैं रहने वाला हरियाणा रेवाड़ी का हूँ. अभी मैं रह रहा हूँ न्यू दिल्ली में सर. मेरा डिफेंस बैकग्राउंड है. 15 साल नेवी में सर्व करने के बाद अभी एक प्राइवेट कंपनी के साथ एंगेज हूँ. और मेरे माता पिता दोनों डायबिटिक हैं. उनको ज्वाइन करके सर बहुत खुश हूँ. कहूंगा मजा आ रहा है सर. धन्यवाद करूंगा. उन्होंने संकट मोचन की तरह सत्यजीत साहब को भेज दिया, क्योंकि जिस बीमारियों के दलदल में फंसे हुए थे ना सर, समझ में नहीं आ रहा था कि तैरना किस तरफ है. मैं तैरो और ऐसे दे रहा हूँ और मुझे लग रहा है कि बहुत जल्दी हम उस संकट से बाहर आ जाएंगे सर.
थैंक यू सो मच.
काफी कुछ सीखा है और सुधारने की पूरी कोशिश कर रहा हूँ. टेस्ट रिजल्ट जो है, जो घर पे ब्लड शुगर कर पा रहा हूँ अभी तो बहुत अच्छे हैं, जिससे मतलब कि मन खुश हो रहा है. एनर्जी तो डाइट का प्लान आपके प्रोग्राम से थोड़ा मैंने पहले चेंज कर दिया था, और आप तो मुझे इस तरह मिल गए कि एक तरह से बॉडी इंजीनियर हो सर आप. कि आपने बताया कि डिफेक्ट ये है और इसमें ये डालना है, और ये जो डालना है वो हमारे पास है. मतलब कि क्वेश्चन भी आपके, आंसर भी आंसर, बस आप अप्लाई करो, बस डिसिप्लिन बनाओ.
I have been studying a lot about different food and nutrition things, but it is so confusing because there are a couple of ideas. Each idea contradicts the ideas of the others.
Right.
So last month, in fact, I was down with COVID. I told you, no? I was admitted in the base hospital. Seriously, I was very serious condition in the hospital. And then they administered that steroid. So steroid totally destabilized my blood sugar level. So then for about 10-15 days, I was on insulin and thereafter medicine. And after I came back, because I was very weak, so I wanted to change my food habits. So with the food habits, so basically you have to go for the healthy food. So mostly avoid oil and things like that. But I was not sure about certain things. Like I was not sure about taking butter, taking ghee. So what helped me particularly, like you said, 30, if 30, that limit of carb in your food. So now what has happened is any food item which I'm getting, I am seeing the total compositions. So if carb is more than 30, so I said, no, this is not good for me. So this is a very good thing which you have taught me. The other thing is that now I've told my wife, so increase my protein, vegetables, and almost very minimum roti or rice to the very minimum level. So this is what I've planned to change, and it's very educative from that point of view. So you follow, just like you follow one religion. So you follow either LCHF or that keto, and there are so many other things. So when I nutrition expert, so he gives a menu, but that menu looks totally uncomfortable to you because you may not like that kind of things. So basic understanding about the carbohydrate and sugar. So now I know. So sugar is not really good. Sugar agitation was not very fond. Sweets as such.
Hi, I think this has been a very interesting insight last 5 days or other last 4 days. I think ये realization हुआ या suddenly ये समझ में आया कि oh my god हम कुछ भी ठीक नहीं खा रहे and then a sudden realization कि अब क्या करें.
Right.
So मैं कंट्रोल करने की कोशिश तो कर रही हूँ. I think मैं कार्ब को लेके इतना क्रेजी नहीं हूँ तो थैंकफुली वो प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. बट यस थोड़ा बहुत जो हैबिट्स हैं जैसे शुगर इनटेक हो या कार्ब अगर रोटी के फॉर्म में भी खा रहे हो या चावल भी खा रहे हो उसको इमीडिएटली छोड़ना प्रॉबेबली नॉट दैट इजी. सो आई डोंट नो इफ जैसे आप कहते हैं कि अल्कोहलिज्म अगर आप अल्कोहलिक हैं तो वो एक दिन में नहीं छूट सकता. तो क्या प्रोसेस होना चाहिए ताकि हम ग्रेजुअली उसको विदाउट क्रेविंग इट लाइक क्रेजी हम इवेंचुअली उसको छोड़ पाए और फाइनली एक हेल्दी डाइट पे शिफ्ट हो पाए. ऑफ कोर्स एंड जैसे कि आपने मेंशन करा सबकी बॉडी टाइप एक नहीं है एंड आई एम श्योर किसी की भी हेल्थ कंडीशंस भी एक लेवल पे नहीं है. तो उसको ध्यान में रखते हुए कैसे हम विद इन द फैमिली, बिकॉज मुझे अभी ये भी लग रहा है कि अगर मैं अपनी फैमिली के लिए भी ये सोचूं तो the same logic will not apply to everybody in my house. All right, understood. That's great क्योंकि मैं यही सोच रही थी कि सबका इतना because everybody has different health issues तो कितने लेवल तक हम एक्चुअली इसको कर भी पाएंगे. It's one thing to eat healthy but it's also कि क्या हम उसको sustain कर पाएंगे कि नहीं.
And Satyajit, thank you for this wonderful 5-day session. So very honestly, the reason I joined your session was because my husband is taking your program and I wanted to understand it much better so that I am able to support him in his endeavor. Right. So, so definitely a lot of the tips that you have given, I and my husband are implementing it in our diets. It is also in sync with what I also believed. And over the last 3 to 4 years, even I am attempting. We basically we are from a family of doctors. So you see what happens invariably is ki dawai kha lo. But my and his belief systems are different, and therefore we wanted to correct our own intake and move toward wellness rather than towards disease. And as one is growing older, one should understand what is better for one's own body. So in the past 2 to 3 years, while we are understanding that, but yes, making lifestyle changes becomes difficult. And I'm glad he has taken your program. So we both are on the road towards that. So
तो जैसे कैसे इंटेक होता है, कैसे लेना चाहिए, कैसे वो हमारे बॉडी में इंटेक, वो सब नहीं मालूम था सर.
उसने कोशिश की अपने फादर का शुगर बंद करने का. ही इज इनटू स्वीट्स, बिग टाइम स्वीट्स. तो हम कोशिश कर रहे हैं उनको बिना चीनी की चाय देने की. सो इट इज वर्किंग नाउ अ लिटिल बिट बिकॉज इवन ही हैज हर्ड यू. वो भी सुन रहे थे. तो we are trying to applicate it, like we are not will take time. So last 4 days that we have learned is हमने शुगर बहुत कम कर दिया है. मतलब मैं तो कोशिश कर रही हूँ कि one time I take a tea in the morning, but I'm trying कि मैं शुगर एकदम माइनस कर दूँ. मैं कोशिश कर रही हूँ अभी.
राइस भी छोड़ दी हमने, चपाती भी छोड़ दी.
हमने राइस छोड़ा है एंड चपाती भी अभी हम
एक ही टाइम सिर्फ 1 पीस ले रहे हैं अभी.
हाँ, सिर्फ अभी 1 टाइम खा रहे हैं.
you told me in the first day that you have to go for this insulin resistance test, and also I went, and I'm happy that it's less than 1.5.